Hello design lovers, want to change the background color of your project in Adobe Express? I have got you covered. Let's go. First, open Adobe Express and open your project. Now select your background. You will see a color picker. Click on it to choose a solid color. You can either pick a color from the palette or enter a specific color code if you have one in mind. Adjust the opacity of the color to fine-tune your design for that perfect look. Use complementary colors for a balanced and visually appealing design. You can also adjust the shade of your background color to make sure it contrasts well with your text and images. Having trouble finding the right color? Try exploring color harmony tools online to pick the perfect combo for your project. What's your go-to background color for designs? Drop it in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.